The Tipdiy 4200Pa robot vacuum combo offers a comprehensive cleaning solution with its integrated vacuum and mop system, ensuring dust-free floors and fresh air in your home. Equipped with intelligent sensors and automation, this smart robot vacuum efficiently avoids obstacles, switches cleaning modes, prevents hazardous drops, and self-recharges, making cleaning effortless. Featuring a powerful 4200Pa suction, the Tipdiy G90 is designed to handle diverse cleaning scenarios and is particularly effective for homes with pets, minimizing the hassle of dealing with pet hair. The robot vacuum provides customizable cleaning options through an app, voice control, and a remote control, allowing you to define the mode, intensity, and schedule to suit your preferences. With a larger dustbin and water tank, along with a high-endurance battery, the Tipdiy G90 can clean extensive areas without frequent emptying or refilling, ideal for large families. The package includes a robotic vacuum and mop cleaner, mop pad holder, charging station, power adapter, electrically controlled water tank and dust collector, mopping pad cloth, spare HEPA filter, 4 side brushes, cleaning brush, user manual, and app instructions.